Hello YouTube, what's up? In today's edition, I am showing you how to make crop photo on your mobile phone with extracting focused object using saturation edits in Snapseed editor. After you open the image in editor, you go to Edit, Tune Image, and pick Saturation by scrolling down options on your screen. Turn saturation down to 0, then go to Layers option, View Edits, pick Last Edit, and click on the middle icon. Check the invert icon and make sure your value is 0 and paint over the object you want to be in focus. This way you are erasing zero saturation just on that part of the image. After you finish tweaking it, you can edit it furthermore to make it pop. Make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Do it. See ya.